Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create account on Blade. And for this, first of all, we click on the app Blade, and right now you will receive a pop-up with welcome to Blade. Now we want to book a flight, a private flight or a flight, and we can do this with the app Blade. So right now what we need to do is click on sign in, login, and then fill in your email address. Now let's say I want to use this email address. Then we click on confirm. Then fill in your first name, your last name, then do confirm, create a password, then fill in your phone number, then do confirm, then fill in the verification code, and then do confirm. We don't have a referral code, so from now we click on skip. Click on accept, and now click on I accept. Then from now we can finish your profile, but that is not important for now, because now we click on finish later, and from now we have a Blade account. Alright, this was exactly what you need to know to create your Blade account. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.